I hope you have a good time. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. I'm going to view and take a guides, go to format, and I'm going to give it some different color to the background. Go to shape and take this rounded rectangle by holding shift alt and drag the rounded rectangle, and to this handle I am going to rotate it and give it some gradient color. I think so. Let me choose the gradient, 2 steps gradient. I'm going with 2 steps. This will be white, and I'm going to change the direction. This will be okay. Let me fix the direction. Yes, and I'm going to give also gradient to its stroke. I need only 2 stops. I'm going to delete the extra stops. Remember that the shape outline gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient. Okay, same as the fill gradient, but it will be inverse to the fill gradient. Let me increase its width, and I'm going to give it some shadow effect. This will be okay. Transparency increase the 275. Yes, 102 size. Let me make it blur, and through these guidelines I'm going to place it at a right place. Yes, and I'm going to place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Okay, again Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Okay, let me go to insert and take an all shape and drag an all shape by holding shift alt. Okay, and let me make it a little bit bigger in size and place it at the center. Control shift C and Control shift V to transfer the effect of this rounded rectangle to the oval shape. Take another oval shape and drag another oval shape like this, and make it at the center of the first oval shape, and put it at the center of the first oval shape. Yes, I'm going to shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill gives some different color, and I'm going to give it some gradient color, I think so. And let me give it some gradient and more color, recent color. I am going to also give this top recent color and more color, and decrease the and make it a little bit dark that the gradient become visible. Give it some shadow effect. I'm going with this shadow effect. Yes, and increase the transparency to 75, 102, and blur will be 6 is okay. Let me bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. I'm going to put this text at here over the rounded rectangle like this. Control D to duplicate it, and you can increase or decrease these steps according to your requirements. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. I think headline goes in a side, and you can put your detailed text in a side with this visual this infographic visualization. Let me fix it. Okay. Let me bring some more text. And put it little bit to the side. Put the design little bit to the side, yes. And in the left side you can add your detailed texts here. This is the headline goes here. I'm going to okay, let me bring some icons. For this, go to icon tab, and here you can find your desired icon. Just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon here. Go to insert and bring it to the slide by holding Shift Alt and make it little bit smaller. And I'm going to place these icons one by one over these shapes. Okay, growth icon goes here and meeting icon goes here. And select all these icons and go to graphic fill and change its color light gray, I think so, little bit dark gray. Okay, thank you for watching.